All clear on manifest. Guide them to station 3.
Keep that barrier steady.
He's clear of the ramp.
Next 3, heading to lane 2.
Temperature reading is 101.8. Please log it in the system immediately.
Confirmed. Logging 101.8 now.
Keep them moving to lane 3.
Watch the horns on this one. Scan complete.
Check the horn integrity on the caudal curve.
Data captured.
Analysis complete. The molars show slight wear, but acceptable. Noted. Inputting the data now. Quality check confirms all points addressed. The coat condition looks excellent, character ID 904.
Noted, Doctor. Imaging system confirms no anomalies and health record is updated.
Joint flexibility looks good. Data confirms mobility standards are met.
Reading 2,250 kilograms. Database matches previous report. Healthy development confirmed. Approved.
The antibody levels look good.
Agreed. All parameters are within the acceptable range. Let's approve the release. Approved. Moving the Longhorns to the next stage. Control room confirms medical clearance verified.
Ensure the distribution is even down section 3. Quality looks good here. Log in the intake now.
Easy now, nice and easy. You're doing great. We'll have you cleaned up in no time.
The crystal clear purified water ensures a pristine clean, while our specialized brushes gently handle the sensitive areas.
Final quality check complete, Supervisor. All metrics green. Excellent work, Inspector. Approved. Supervisor, this is Unit 4. All scans complete. Vitals are stable across the board.
Received. Unit 4. Maintain current cleaning protocols.
All diagnostics look clear. The panel is green. Quality standards verified. Database confirms. Excellent. The Longhorn is approved for release. Right, team. Cycle initiation in 5 minutes. Ensure all safety checks are green.
Confirmed. Sector 4 is clear.
This impressive industrial complex clearly demonstrates modern engineering, excellent organization, and professional livestock care. The perfect combination of advanced engineering and stunning natural scenery creates a powerful documentary ending.
This texture is absolutely flawless.
Agreed. The thickness is perfect on this one too.